MIRO's CleanPot is the first washable humidifier in the world, designed to prevent bacterial growth inside. Its floating design helps make it easy to wash and makes it perfect for a home or office setting. But do not worry anymore. MIRO's perfectly designed humidifier is not only easily washable, but also guarantees 100% sanitation. Perfect cleaning and easy assembly. MIRO's CleanPot is easily washable in your kitchen, just like your dishes. You can open the humidifier easily with a simple twist. The separate parts are thoroughly washable, just like regular dishes. And the water bowl is also extremely easy to clean. The outer funnel, floating base, inner funnel, and waterproof ultrasonic module are all washable with water and soap. And they are very easy to assemble. Just put the ultrasonic module onto the floating base, line up the fan, then cover with the inner funnel, outer funnel, and vapor cap. MIRO's CleanPot is usable within seconds after washing all the parts. Unique design and function. The MIRO CleanPot is designed to provide a comfortable atmosphere for homes and offices by being perfectly hygienic. The unit is also designed to float on water for extended periods of time during operation. It uses an external power adapter, which supplies low-voltage electricity safely to the machine, and you can adjust the intensity of humidification by using the optional controller. This perfectly clean device features gentle LED lights and can be used in your bedroom even in the dark. A few drops of your favorite scented oil in the water will create a soothing perfumed vapor. The MIRO CleanPot is easy to use, simple to assemble, and pretty to look at. Enjoy a healthy and hygienic life with MIRO. We create a fresh environment by clean humidification.